The last approach is improvisation. This method involves responding spontaneously to a situation, idea, or stimulus. I usually integrate this approach in a game-like fashion, like free dance or follow me and freeze. Our dance games and dance parties reflect this freedom of movement. Your wording would use language like pretend, dance like, imagine you to be, make up your own dance. The benefit of this approach is that it allows for spontaneous related movements and freedom of expression. And when we express ourselves, we feel elated, joyful, and empowered. I really hope that these dance tips and ideas ignite your imagination and inspire you to integrate dance into the lives of the children you care for, whether it be in the classroom, dance studio, or at home. Thank you so much for joining me. Keep on dancing.
Hey, want to dance more with Moo and me and find out about our upcoming shows?
Well, just hit the subscribe button and you're in the club.
Yeah!